Changing your verification method on Instagram is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Open Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Step 3. Access Settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings at the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Select Security. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Security. This section contains all the options related to account security, including verification methods. Step 5. Change verification method. Under the Security section, look for two-factor authentication or verification. Tap on it and choose your preferred verification method, such as text message or authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the change. Now you have successfully updated your verification method on Instagram. Make sure to keep your account secure by using a method that works best for you.